Hey team, Austin here. I'm just going to go through a very short agenda. A lot of stuff I was working on this week was more internal, so just sharing some cooler insights from the wider design and front-end community in case it's of interest to you. One thing that I thought was really cool is we have some lighter weight icons thanks to Jeremy that are coming into GitLab. You can check out the merge request here, but a really great way to illustrate this is you can check out this cool sliding animation that he set up in Figma to help illustrate kind of how that changes. So you just drag this guy from left to right and you'll see the icons start to change. So that helps illustrate, and this is just screenshots from him testing it locally, so you can kind of see how the feel of the page changes depending if you're looking at the website with the light icons, the light stroke icons versus the heavier ones. Gives a little more of an airy feel, which is really great, and then I'll show you the next example too. So it's just like your groups list, and you can kind of see how that impacts like the folder structure, look and feel of all those things. So that's gonna be really sweet to see that make it into the product. And the other thing I want to share was we all decided to take on a effort to try and replace the create flash component that we see used pretty prevalently throughout the product. The main issue with it is it's not pajamas compliant, and it really struggles with the multiple alerts situation. So create alert is meant to be able to deprecate create flash and just to help illustrate what that would look like. So before, what we see is messages like this. So it doesn't necessarily change like a ton of the UI itself, but it does help standardize the component. So once that MR goes in, we might end up using that ourselves too for the times that we are using create flash. We'll be replacing probably with create alert, which is great, simplifying more of our components. So that's it.